Hey guys, K7 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to copy any file onto any drive on your computer and make it bootable from startup. So first, you're going to need a flash drive, of course, and a file to copy onto it. So pretty much, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that file bootable. So what you're first going to need to do is you're going to need a drive. And you won't be able to use a regular PC drive and have it bootable because, well, if you started your computer and you wanted to read from that drive and load up something from the same drive, it may not be able to pull the exact files from the particular hard drive on the computer if it's using that. Like, say for instance, you want to install something on that, but you wanted to boot from it. You probably could do that with another drive, but if you're trying to use the same drive, you can't do it like that. So you have to use the alternate drive. So you'll have to use an alternate drive or a flash drive. Either ways, you won't be able to do it on the same drive. So anyway, first, what you'll need to do is you'll need to pull up your CMD. So for Windows 7 and lower, you guys can hit the start menu and then just type in CMD. For Windows 8 and higher, you want to go right over here to the right side of your screen and hit on the search bar here. So you hit search, and then once this pops up, what you want to type here is CMD. Okay, once CMD pops up, what you're going to do, the easy way to do it is you just hit Control and Shift and then click on it. Okay, this is the easy way to do it, to run it in Administrator. You can right click and scroll to run in Administrator, but it's easier to just hold Shift and Control and then click on it. So just do that. And as you can see, it runs it in Administrator. Hit yes. Okay, so now your CMD, once your CMD appears, you're going to have to put the command into your CMD copy command, give it instructions to copy the files to whatever drive you may want to use. So the command that you're going to be using is Xcopy. So you want to type Xcopy in the blank. Okay, so once you've typed Xcopy, as you can see there, you will need to select the drive that you have your files on. Wherever they may be, you need to find them. So for Windows 7 and lower, just go over to the start menu and hit My Computer. Look for the drive that you may have the files on, and then type that drive letter into the blank space. Make sure you space first. And for Windows 8 and up, scroll over to the right side of the screen and hit search, just like you did before, to find the CMD and type this PC to bring up your PC dashboard, so you can see all your drives and find out what drive you want to use, that you're going to be using, that the files that you want to take from. So mine will be H. I want to pull some files from H and put them on E. So I'm going to type H. Yours may be different, so you're gonna have to find your letter. Your letter is not going to be the same as mine, so make sure that you search for your letter, your drive letter, and then type it into the blank space. So like I said, mine is H, so that's what I'm going to type. Okay, now once you've typed H, what you're going to do, you're going to, after this, you're going to type an asterisk, period, and then another asterisk. So it'll look a little something like this. Okay, that's what it should look like. It should look like a little face. So after this, you want to type /S/E/F. And don't worry, it may seem a little complicated, but trust me, it's not. And I'm going to leave the commands in the description, so you shouldn't have any problems with getting these commands, because I'm going to leave them in the description, so don't worry about it. So what you want to do, you want to type /s/e/f. So it should look a little something like this. Okay, now once you have that, you want a space, and then you want to put the drive letter that you want to copy or Xcopy to. So make sure that your drive that you're copying to is the one that you selected from the file that you want from. So you want your drive letter with your files on them to go to the file, to go to the drive with the new drive with the files that don't have any on them. So from one file, from one drive to another. Make sure you don't get this wrong, because if you get this wrong, you might mess something up. So make sure that you're copying from the drive that you have the files on to the blank drive that you want to put the files to, if that can clear up any confusion for you. So for me, my letter is E. Like I said, you'll have to look for yours. So make sure you do that. Just search for it, make sure you're copying onto the correct drive. Okay, so I'm gonna type E right now. Okay, and so that's what it should look like. So after you have typed your commands, what you want to do is hit enter. But you don't want to hit enter yet, because you just want to check over it. Just check over it. Just make sure you have it correct. Okay. Then once you've checked it and you have it correct, just hit enter. So as you can see, it'll start up its little command thingy, and there it goes. You see it's starting to copy. It's asking me right now if I wanted to overwrite these files. Now this is a previous state. I had already copied it onto the drive prior. So of course no. This is an example. This is for example purposes for you guys. I would say no or yes if I wanted to overwrite. But you guys aren't going to get this message, because if your drive is blank and you're copying new files, you're just going to get a long list of files being scrolling down to the bottom until it's finished. When it reaches the bottom, then it's done. Then you can then close this window out. But that's pretty much it, guys. You can Xcopy any file onto any drive and have it be bootable from any drive. But remember, you need a flash drive in order for it to boot from the start. Have it be from an external drive or an external drive. Remember, you can't use the same drive and boot a program from the same drive that you are using. That's not going to work. It has to be an external drive, another hard drive, or a flash drive. So just to clear up any confusion there. But anyway, I hope this tutorial helps you guys. Make sure to drop a comment. You guys need help or have any questions, I'll be sure to answer any questions that you have. Leave a like, hit that like button, guys. Share and favorite, and for more videos like these. So but for next time, until next time, this has been K7. Peace. Take care, guys. Later.